Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by narrowing choices and locating reputable sources. Decide dwarf versus Syrian now. That determines cage size, handling needs, and lifespan. Once done, set a clear budget, include the pet, cage, bedding, and vet check. Check local rescue groups first. They often have healthier, socialized animals. If using a breeder or online seller, request clear photos, health history, and references. Ask about age, vaccination, or vet visits, and whether the animal was hand-tamed. When you find a candidate, evaluate health and temperament carefully. This step prevents costly problems. Hold the carrier and watch the hamster move. Alert, curious, not lethargic. Check fur for bald patches, eyes for cloudiness, and breathing for wheezes. Ask to see chew marks or cage cleanliness. Ask the seller about diet, recent vet visits, and how the animal reacts to handling. If possible, perform a short handling test, a COM. Exploratory Chomik adapts faster to new homes. Complete the purchase with clear records and a brief transition plan. Transport in a secure carrier. Keep noise low and lighting dim to reduce stress. Once home, place the cage in a quiet, draft-free spot at room temperature. Introduce food and a hiding place before opening the carrier. Monitor eating, drinking, and stool for 48 hours. If you spot lethargy, refusal to eat, or labored breathing, isolate the animal, keep it warm, and contact a vet immediately. Early action often prevents severe issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.